Once you thought that creating a website was difficult, but you have managed to do it. Now, you think that bringing into the top of the search results is difficult. But what if all of this is much easier than you think? SEO Site Checkup aims to make search engine optimization easy. You are going to manually check your website for various factors that influence search engine rankings. Stop. Don't waste your time, we'll do all of this automatically. SEO Site Checkup was founded by a dedicated team of SEO professionals and webmasters with over 15 years of experiences in the SEO industry. So we know how SEO is evolved and is constantly evolving, and we keep on top of all these changes for you, from the basics like meta titles, backlinks and broken links to more recent SEO factors like site mobile responsiveness, site loading time, accelerated mobile pages, and other website errors that can impact user experience. We keep updating our tools to check for all the latest and most important factors that search engine algorithms consider. Even if you are just getting started with SEO, we will help you to understand the most important search engine rankings factors and even how to fix them on your site. In a matter of just a few seconds and couple of clicks, you could see how a search engine interprets your sites. We'll instantly analyze your site and your competitor's site. Our clients can optionally get white label reports as well. If you would like to create instant audits for your clients or managers, SEO Site Checkup is not just a one-time website analysis tool. It's a continuous monitoring tool for SEO. You will be able to see on a day-to-day basis how your SEO score and optimization progress is doing versus your competitors. Our SEO Tools Box offers all the SEO analysis and monitoring you need to succeed in today's search engine. As you can see, it's much easier than you thought and much more intriguing too, isn't it?